Do you want to make money by just clicking a button? Yes, you heard that right. You'll get $50 for one click, $100 for two, and $150 for three. This technique will show you how to create mock-up designs for any product you wish, which I will explain in this tutorial. Also, you won't have to show your face with this strategy, and you won't have to put in any extra effort to have your website up and running. It's straightforward and simple to understand. All you have to do now is follow my directions to avoid getting lost in the process of earning some excellent money online. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Blog, where we connect you to anything that will help you earn quick money online. On this channel, we love to give away free money, and we're giving away $50 worth of gift cards in Walmart, Target, and Amazon to 10 lucky people once our channel hits 5,000 subscribers. To find out how to enter, stick around until the end of the video. Now, just before we dive into the tutorial, smash that thumbs up button if you like this kind of content. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. With everything out of the way, let's go right into the video so I can show you everything. Okay, so before we get started, I'd like to give you all some background on mock-up designs. A mock-up is a static design of a web page that includes many of its final design elements but is not functional according to Google. To put it in another way, mock-up designs shows any products with a logo printed on it. Now, let me go to Google and look for images to show you what I'm talking about. This is exactly how mock-ups for a variety of products seem. Let's get started with step 1 now that you know that mockups are. I'd like you to visit renderforest.com, and this is how it should appear. This is a free online tool that will allow you to build various mockups with just one click of a button and will reward you with $50 if you do so. However, before you can start making money with this platform, you must first sign up for a free account. To do so, go ahead and click the Sign In button in the upper right corner of the homepage and fill in the basic required information, which I'm certain you can do on your own. Keep in mind that in completing this step will cost you nothing. Now, once you've signed up for free, you'll be able to see the many jobs and categories that they have listed at the top. Make logos, create videos, edit mockups, build websites, and design graphics, they say. For the time being, I'd like you to click on the Edit Mockup category, which is what we'll be concentrating on today. After you've selected the Edit Mockup category, you'll be directed to this page where you may edit the best mockups online with a single click. You can change and add other logos. They offer a realistic logo mockup pack according to this page. If you click on that, for example, you'll be sent to the first template that we may use for free. You'll see that you may add different logos to different areas of the template with just one click of a button. Let's imagine you wish to make changes to this mockup. You click it to open it, then upload an example logo that says OMP. This is how it looks after it's finished uploading. You now have your logo as a mockup, and you can do the same with all of the different templates in all of the mockups on the right-hand side. You can download it to your computer with only one click of a button. You might make more than $50 each time you manufacture one. Isn't that amazing? Now, just before we go any further, if you enjoyed the video so far, I'll give you time to go on and subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. And if you found this tutorial interesting and useful, leave a comment down below because we'd love to know your thoughts. Now, to remind you, just stay tuned until the end of the video in order to know the exact steps to winning that $50 gift card giveaway. But for now, it's time to get back into this tutorial and continue making money. Let me now give you another example for a design. I'll return to Render Forest and select Edit Mockup once more. Once again, you have the option of selecting your preferred template and mockups. Assume you want to create a design for clothing. For example, you might wish to put in the OMP emblem on this piece of apparel. You'll need to click on the template you want to use to access it. You may post your image right here by clicking the Upload button. Following that, this is how it seems from my point of view. You can, however, inject some imagination and creativity in your design, which only depends on you. You can now download it and profit from it. But where exactly will you get the $50 for one design, the $100 for two, and the $150 for three? Also, how are you going to generate money of these various designs and mockups? There are just a few ways to make that kind of money. Go to freelancer.com as one of your options. People are eager to spend hundreds of dollars for each of the mockups you generated on our freelancing website. These individuals, for example, will spend this much of a single graphic mockup design. Look at how much they charge for your designs, whether it's an hourly rate or a fixed rate. At the moment, there are around 800 mockup designs to be generated on freelancer.com. So go to this website and register as a freelancer. After you've signed up, all you have to do now is start looking for mockup design projects and applying for them. For this platform, that's all there is to it. Upwork is the next freelancing platform where you may sell your mockup designs. This can be found on upwork.com. I need you to go on and sign up as a freelancer on this website, as well as by clicking on the green sign up button on the right-hand side of your screen. This one looks and functions a lot like freelancer.com. If you go to this website, you'll notice that there are a lot of people from all over the world who are already generating a lot of money. This Ukrainian girl earned more than $70,000. This gentleman earned $60,000, while this Indian man earned $100,000, and many others earn huge amounts of money as well. With this second platform, that's all there is to discuss. As you can see, this strategy is really effective, and there are numerous freelancing websites that can assist you. The best part is that it only takes one button click. So why not give it a shot? You may sell your designs on a variety of platforms, so go ahead and start designing your product on renderforest.com and look for employment on upwork.com, freelancer.com, or any other platforms you may be familiar with. And that sums up today's tutorial. Now let's proceed with instructions on how to be lucky and win the 10 free $50 gift cards giveaways. You just need to make sure you've subscribed and are actively leaving a like and a comment on every video so that I can give rewards to those who I monitor that are always active in each tutorial. The more videos you comment on, the better chance you have at winning as we reach the 5,000 subs celebration. And that's it. Once again, this is Online Money Blog, teaching you the best and easiest methods in making money online. For more content like this, go on and check out my other videos too, so you'll maximize your results in making that big pile of cash straight into your accounts.